You bet it was. Come on, let's. Okay, Ryan, your turn.
We get 2 turns. I'll do it all by myself. I'll do it all by myself.
You did.
I don't want you to be with me.
Well, I think
I want Mommy to be with me.
you couldn't get Mom up that ladder.
Not up that high.
Only Dad.
Okay, come on, Ryan.
Ryan, look at Mommy.
Yeah.
Hi. Where are you? You looking at the train?
Okay, you want to get down? Come on down like you're supposed to. Come on down, careful. You're doing so good, B. Go slow. Go slow.
You want
Yeah.
All right, look at me, Ryan.
my turn again.
Look at me. Hi. Did you have fun?
Now my turn again.
Ryan!
You running?
Yeah, he was running full blast.
You don't run on the dock.
Did you get hurt? Come here. Oh, that probably feels good. Come over here.
Bruise or scrape there.
See, it's sand on the docks, and that's why it's slippery.
Go to Daddy.
Let me get a good picture of it. Okay. You got slivers in it? Probably. Look at the elbow. Is there somewhere we can... That probably feels good. Open your mouth. See if you brushed this morning.
How are the elbows?
They're
all right.
on an elbow.
Oh,
See, it's got
boy.
a sign there that says no running or pushing on the dock.
You didn't follow the rules.
Did you read
Says
that
no
sign?
fishing, no sand throwing, no dogs, no glass.
No
Parents
fun allowed.
Responsible for children
No
under
fishing
age
either.
10. That's you.
Yeah.
What does that say?
That's the cabin they rent out.
Watch out,
Yeah.
Ash. I can't see the sign. Ash, you're in the way of the sign. Yeah.
What does this say?
Ryan,
What?
wave. Who's driving this boat?
Me?
Okay.
Hey, while she's got the camera on, give her some gas.
Whoa!
Now you gotta watch where you're going, though.
Raise it out, Ryan. Drive.
See the brown house?
Brown house.
Now you can slow it down when that accident comes. Slow it down when that accident comes. Right for it.
Okay, now you're going to have to straighten it out to get over there. We'll just be doing circles.
That's okay, we're going down the shore anyway. How you doing, big dummy, huh? You like to ride on the boat, don't you, huh? You like to ride on the boat.
React very quick.
Pretty
Your
lucky
turn.
dog.
Aaron. Where's that boy?
Me, right here.
I gotcha. There's Grandpa.
Daddy, hey Daddy. Ryan just found one of his Santa gifts up here under the tree. He forgot to carry it up here earlier. Oh, what is he doing?
I wonder what that is.
My Santa I wonder what these are my cowboy boots.
Ashley, did you bring a Santa gift up, put it under the tree too?
No, I opened it on my...
What did you ask Santa for? Huh, Ryan?
I wonder what... How do you open this box?
Oh, I'm sure
Ashley.
figure it out.
Ashley, go look.
Close your eyes,
You put
everyone.
one under the tree earlier. Didn't she take it out of your
This is
stocking?
my new cowboy boots.
Oh.
Yes, tomorrow my new cowboy boots.
How did they know? You told them enough times.
Show them to
didn't you?
Sharon.
Yeah, you were just teasing me.
Hey, Ryan. Show them to Aunt Sharon.
Oh, we can only open Santa gifts. But you brought one out of your stocking earlier.
Lifting it, did you? I bring it back down.
No, it's sitting right there. I see the Santa tag on it. You took it out of your stocking and you brought it up here.
My new
Wow, those look like ostrich skin.
He give you a hat too?
That's
Did
what I
oh,
want.
that's the wrong foot. No wonder why it won't go on. Go on.
Wow.
Oh, boy. You just teasing me.
I was teasing you when?
I mean, you were teasing me that it was my cowboy boots.
Oh, I didn't know what was in the box.
But unless your Santa didn't give me my cowboy boots. He did. No, stop.
Oh, look at those.
I have one. I have the same as Ryan.
One leg out and one pant leg in. Which way are you gonna wear them?
Did you fix your other pant?
Like this? On the outside?
I think I can cowboy.
Yeah, where's that hat?
Where'd that cowboy
Where's your
go?
hat?
It's on the table.
Come put it on.
There we go. Now let Mom.
I'll take the tags off.
Step back over there. No, step over there first. Come this way.
Mom wants to take your picture.
I told you it was an Aladdin book.
Smile.
Ooh, that was
Hey Ryan,
It's on the table.
hey, what do you think about those boots?
good.
Eh.
Mom wanted, I was playing at the stool because I wanted
Isn't
to
it
see
there?
boots.
What, Ryan?
I'm always playing at the stool because I wanted to see boots.
Hey,
Oh,
walk over there, Ryan.
Did you get
I'll
Ash?
take your picture.
An Aladdin coloring book.
I like my cowboy boots.
Well, stand still now. Ashley, stand still. Well,
Now I really look like a cowboy.
yeah, buddy.
Hey, Ryan. Ryan. Get a picture of you here.
Oh, that's wrong. Supposed to be December 25th.
Who's here?
Merry Christmas. I know you, don't I? Isn't your name Ashley? Well, I thought I had the right house.
come in.
And this is, that's Ryan. It's Ryan, that's right. I forgot to leave some presents here last night. Whoa! This is Laura, right?
Santa,
Is there a Christy here too?
Christy?
I gotta wipe my feet. Those reindeer left me right in a snowdrift out.
You gotta talk to Rudolph.
What's Rudolph doing?
Rudolph just fine. He got me here with no trouble.
Come on in.
Can you bring
I'll shut the
Rudolph
door.
with you?
No, he doesn't go in houses. I've got some presents so that I forgot to leave here last night.
Well, it's about time. You're just a little late.
Don't I know
Very well.
you? Have you been a good girl?
I'm trying. Oh, Santa.
This is a good boy. You can see that right here. He's having a coat.
And I have my new boots on.
Okay.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ryan. Happy birthday to you. Blow up the candle, Ryan.
Blow.
Blow, blow. Yay. Yay. You like cake? Yeah. You like cake? Go ahead and have some, Ryan. You like cake? You'll have a taste. You have a taste. You'll go ahead and have me a taste. Yeah. Your pretty
Okay, Ryan,
clothes,
to his one spot.
pretty clothes and some grease. Yeah.
Okay, dear. All right,
Cake.
Ryan.
Put it
Yeah.
in your mouth.
Here, you have to taste it now. Taste it. Yeah, what do you think?
Is it good?
What do you think? Is it good? Ooh.
All right.
Ryan.
I would. Probably
Yeah.
I would.
Put your glasses. Put your glasses. Put them back on.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashley didn't take
I didn't
care.
know it was a rule.